Are you worried about cyber threats? Here's how Impress IT Solutions can save the day. In today's tech-driven world, Houston businesses need top-notch IT services and cybersecurity solutions. Enter Impress IT Solutions, your local partner for all things IT. Picture this: 24/7 system monitoring that keeps downtime at bay and fast fixes for any IT hiccup. As your business expands, our scalable IT solutions grow with you. Worried about data breaches? Our robust cybersecurity measures protect your sensitive info from cybercriminals. Plus, we ensure you stay compliant with industry regulations like HIPAA. With advanced firewalls, endpoint security, and ransomware protection, we've got every corner covered. And our employee training programs turn your staff into your first line of defense. So, why choose Impress IT? We're local, proactive, and provide complete IT support. Don't wait for a cyber attack. Secure your business today with Impress IT Solutions.